A warm hello to all my little Montfortians. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your studies well at home. In today's class, we are going to discuss the poem How the Little Kite Learned to Fly, which is written by Catherine Pyle. So in this poem, there are two kites. Let me tell you, one is a bigger kite and one is a smaller kite. Now this poem is about how a small kite come over its fear. The fear of flying, as that particular kite, that small kite, is going to fly for the first time. So let us discuss. I never can do it. Take out page number 74 of your literature book and read along with me. I never can do it, the little kite said. Now who is I? The little kite. It said to big kite that I can never do it, as he looked at the others high over his head. When that little kite see other kites over his head, he say, I cannot do this. I know I should fall if I try to fly. His fear was that he is going to fall. Try, said the big kite. Only try. Now the big kite is motivating the little kite that you should try. Or I fear you will never learn at all. Now big kite is saying that if you keep on fearing like this, if you will continue doing this thing, so you will never be able to fly. But the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. The big kite nodded. Well, goodbye, I am off. And he rose toward the tranquil sky. Tranquil means peaceful sky. After telling the little kite that you should try, when little kite was not ready to fly, that big kite said goodbye to the little kite and it flew. Then the little kite paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. After watching that big kite, that he was flying so high, that little kite also get motivated and it started collecting the courage. After trembling means shaking. Trembling means shaking. So note down these words also in your book. We have discussed this earlier also. After trembling, that little kite collected the courage to fly in the sky. First whirling and frightened, then braver ground. Whirling means moving round in circle. First the kite was whirling, moving round in fear, and it was frightened also, afraid also. But then it braver ground. Braver ground means that kite collected the courage. Up he rose, the air alone. When you do something for the first time, you do it slowly. So up, little, he rose. Till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. The big kite, who was already present in the sky, was looking at the little kite that it was coming steadily. Steadily means even manner, calmly, slowly. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. Now when the little kite reached at a great height, then it thrilled with pride. Thrilled with pride means it became pride. Extremely happy for himself that he tried. And he sailed in the clouds with the big kite. Sailed means travel. Both the kites travel along with each other. While far below he could see the ground, and the boys were like small spots moving around. From that particular height, the little kite was able to see the small boys, and they were like small spots. Means when you see something from great height, now everything on the ground appears to be very small. They rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and clouds were there. What was there in the sky? Only birds and clouds. They were so high. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Now the little kite cried in happiness that I tried, I overcome my fear. Like you kids also overcome your fear, you should also take help of your teachers and parents so that you could do well and overcome your fear. And all because I was brave and tried. So you all have to try like that little kite. You have to be brave and you have to keep on trying. Thank you so much. I hope you are clear with this poem. If you have any problem, call me anytime. Thank you.